Viking Mars, and we're about to take you on our room tour. Welcome. You come into the room, and Bob is already here. Because it's the first thing, we will check out the bathroom. There is a nice, good-sized shower, actually. A commode. Sink. There's garbage underneath the sink. There's a drawer and a shelf on each side of the sink. And there are two shelves on each side of the sink. It also has a heated floor, should we need that. I know we're on a warm weather cruise, we may not need to heat our floor. So then let's head out. Oh, look there, there's hooks on the bathroom doors. That'll be nice. The next thing we'll find is a shelf, an espresso machine, and there is a safe in that drawer. And there are 3 drawers down there to put your things. Around the corner is the closet. We have some drawers in the closet on that side. On the other side here, we have our hanging area. There's a nightstand here. We have a light, a little night light above the bed, some lights for overhead, and outlets, European, American, and some USB type outlets. We'll check those out later. A drawer in the nightstand. Okay, let me stand back and you can see the bed and the rest of the room. We have a balcony outside. We'll get to that. We have our chairs here. They actually look more comfortable than they do in the picture, so I hope that is true. Here we have a desk area. What's kind of neat in this desk area is this lifts up and we have cubbies for things, and including binoculars. Well, and a lighted mirror there for doing whatever you need to do before a lighted mirror. Oh, and this light here I'm seeing has a whole bunch of USBs on it. That's great. We have some more American plug-ins, European plug-ins. It's good. Let's check out the balcony. There is 2 chairs, room, and a table. So, room for us to sit here and enjoy the view. This is the view of Fort Lauderdale now from the room. We haven't left the port yet, so that's why we're still here. Okay, I'm going to turn around. We'll give a view of the room from coming in from the balcony. Hi, Bob.
Hi, Sarah.
Another look at the room from the other angle, and that's the room. Thank you. Bye.